A. Can you help me with this report? Yes, I can. B. Can you help me with this report? Yes, I do. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Yes, I can, is correct because can is used to express ability or possibility, fitting the question's context. Yes, I do, uses do, which is incorrect here as the question asks about ability, not habitual actions. A. He doesn't have to finish the project by tomorrow. B. He doesn't can to finish the project by tomorrow. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Have is correct because doesn't have is used to express lack of necessity or obligation. Can is incorrect because it cannot be used in the negative form to express necessity. A. They could not come to the meeting yesterday. B. They did not come to the meeting yesterday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is correct for expressing past ability in a negative statement. Did is incorrect because did not come is a simple past form, not expressing ability or possibility. A. Do you think you can finish the work by noon? B. Do you think you do finish the work by noon? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Can is correct as it asks about the possibility or ability to finish work. Do is incorrect because it does not inquire about ability or possibility in this context. A. I cannot know how to solve this problem. B. I do not know how to solve this problem. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Do is correct because do not know expresses a lack of knowledge, a state. Cannot is incorrect as it would imply inability to perform an action, which doesn't fit the context of knowledge. A. Why does she always arrive late? B. Why can she always arrive late? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Does is correct because it is used for forming questions in the present simple tense. Can is incorrect here as the question is about the reason for a habitual action, not ability. A. We do like to submit our proposal today. B. We can like to submit our proposal today. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Would like to is implied, making do the correct choice for expressing a desire or intention. Can is not appropriate here as it suggests ability, not a wish or intention. A. She can speak 3 languages fluently. B. She does speak 3 languages fluently. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Can is correct because it expresses the ability to speak languages. Does is incorrect as it is used for habitual actions, not ability. A. Can you help me carry this? B. Do you help me carry this? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Can is correct as it asks for the possibility or ability to help. Do is incorrect in this context as it doesn't inquire about ability or assistance. A. They could not understand why he was upset. B. They did not understand why he was upset. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is correct for indicating past inability to understand. Did does not fit as it would imply they performed the action of not understanding, which is not the intended meaning. A. Do we need to do it right now? B. Do we need to can it right now? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Do is correct because it refers to performing an action immediately. Can is incorrect as it would ask about the possibility, not the necessity or requirement of action. A. He could not decide which option was better. B. He did not decide which option was better. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Could is correct for expressing past inability to make a decision. Did is incorrect because did not decide doesn't convey inability, just that the action didn't happen.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.